Tonight on India Decides, is the LK Advani Narendra Modi Cold War out in the open? The BJP's top leaders' comments over the weekend praising Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan at the expense of Narendra Modi had a red-faced BJP struggling for damage control. The party has tried to downplay the rift today, claiming that Mr. Advani was not running down Modi. But many say it's clear that Mr. Advani wants to stymie the formal coronation of Narendra Modi and perhaps also keep himself in the race.
नरेंद्र भाई मोदी को मैं कहता हूं कि गुजरात तो पहले भी स्वस्थ था, उसको आपने उत्कृष्ट बना दिया है, इसके लिए आपका अभिनंदन। लेकिन मध्य प्रदेश और छत्तीसगढ़ बीमारू प्रदेश, उनको स्वस्थ बनाना और स्वस्थ ही नहीं ऐसी स्थिति लाना कि मन में इच्छा हो कि भारत में ही नंबर 1 न बने लेकिन विश्व में भी उसकी गिनती होने लगे।
LK Advani's latest googly, which once again had the BJP scrambling for clarification, both from the party high command and the man Mr. Advani had praised.
माननीय अडवाणी जी हमारे फिलॉसफर हैं, हमारे गाइड हैं, हमारे मार्गदर्शक हैं। उन्हें गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी की प्रशंसा पहले की। हमारे सीनियर हैं, बड़े भाई हैं, मुझसे सीनियर रमन सिंह जी है। नंबर 1 नंबर 2 नहीं, मैं तो 3 में भी नहीं हूँ, तीसरे पे आता हूँ।
मैं समझता हूँ कि अडवाणी जी के स्टेटमेंट का रॉन्ग इंटरप्रिटेशन हुआ है और इसमें कहीं दो मत नहीं है कि इस देश के मोस्ट पॉपुलर पॉलिटिकल लीडर है तो नरेंद्र मोदी।
Shivraj Singh Chauhan may be firefighting now, but Mr. LK Advani's comments have once again exposed the bitter war within the BJP in relation to the party's prime ministerial candidate, especially within the party's top leadership. Mr. Advani's speech comes just days before the BJP's national executive in Goa, where the pressure was expected on the BJP leadership to formally anoint Mr. Modi. But now experts say Mr. Advani's words are meant to both stymie Mr. Modi's chances and keep himself relevant in the prime ministerial race.
I think Mr. Advani has never given up his desire to be Prime Minister because he's the senior most leader. He made way for Mr. Vajpayee. He may be in his mid-80s, but he's still very healthy, active, and he's built the party. He's brought the party to where it is along with Mr. Vajpayee.
This isn't Mr. Advani's only googly. He's said to have pushed for the appointment of Nitin Gadkari as chairman of the Election Management Committee for the forthcoming State Assembly elections, a position that Mr. Modi was eyeing. It was seen as a baffling move, given that Mr. Advani had been instrumental in blocking Nitin Gadkari's second term as party president. Mr. Advani's surprise moves have been mocked by the Congress.
There is a saying that in a feast in which I am not invited, there should be trouble and trouble only in that feast.
Sources in the BJP say that LK Advani may not seek re-election from his traditional seat of Gandhinagar as he wants to move away from Narendra Modi. In days to come, there may be an interesting development. LK Advani contesting elections from Bhopal as he is more compatible with CM Shivraj and also as Bhopal is among the safest seats for his party.
Privately, BJP insiders say they are upset with Advani's statements, but Advani may have ensured a further complication of Modi's rise to the top. Bureau Report, NDTV.